Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve root x plus root 5 equal root 80 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So to solve this radical problem, root x plus root 5 equal root 80, I can write it as 16 times 5. So root x plus root 5 equal, I can write this 16 as 4 square and square root times square root 5. Now root x plus root 5 equal, with the help of the square root removes. So 4 root 5. Now root x equal 4 root 5 minus root 5. This root 5 is actually 1 root 5. So root x equal 4 minus 1 is 3 root 5. Now if I'll do squaring both sides, with the help of the square root removes. So x is equals to 3 square times root 5 square. So x is equals to 3 square is 9. And with the help of the square root removes. It's 5. So x is equals to 9 times 5 is 45. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So let's verify this. Root x plus root 5 equal root 80. Root x means root 45 plus root 5 equal root 80. Root 5 we can write it as, 45 we can write it as, while dividing it by 5, 3, 15, 3, 5 and 5, 1. So it's under square root 3 times 5 plus root 5 is equals to, similarly 80 we can write it as under square root 4, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 5. So from here it becomes 3 root 5 plus 1 root 5, and here it becomes 2 times 2 root 5. 3 plus 1 is 4 root 5 and 2 times 2 is 4 root 5. So yes, LHS is equals to RHS. That means x is equals to 45 is the verified solution. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next